There we go. Let's get this set up. Welcome back to another fishing adventure. As you guys can see, I am here in my bedroom and I am not filming the outro outside at a pond. And the reason for that is because today I had soccer practice and I was not planning on going fishing, but the weather this week has been high 70s and today was gonna have a thunderstorm, so I knew the fish were gonna be biting today and it was time for me to go fishing. So I biked all the way to the pond with 1 hour left to fish and like one GoPro battery to last me about 40 minutes. I haven't caught a big fish out of that pond in so long, but today was a little different and it was very special, so I want to share this video with you guys. So enjoy the video. All right, throwing the chatterbait. Oh, frogs are out. That means topwater would work, but I don't think these fish are hitting topwater just about now. Okay, let's go. Water is a very interesting color right now. Man, it feels so good to come out here and just go fishing. It feels so good. Wow, that's a ton of frogs. They are really crazy right now. All right, that's a great cast. Come on. Come on, fish. Oh, we got one. Yep. Oh, no way. This is a big fish. Yes, boys. Oh, no way. Oh, this is like, no. This is a 3-pounder. What? Okay. Well, this day has instantly turned into something awesome. Wow. Are you kidding me? This fish is in here? I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, no way. All right, let me get a weight on this guy. What, only 2.5? 2.5, all right. Sweet. Oh, all right. I'm gonna get some pictures with this guy. Yeah, look at that. Big fish. Thank you so much for biting. Big, big, big bass. And we will let you go. Woo! Awesome. All right, this day has just been turned into an awesome one. All right, let's keep fishing. I'm thinking about running to the secret pond really quickly. Like after I fish this bank, I have a good feeling about it because that pond holds some giants. As soon as I walked up, saw a huge blow up. All right, let's fish it. Wow, this water. Oh, it's a duck. Oh, that scared me. I thought it was fish. Okay, gonna keep going. Oh, I'm so excited. Now, just to make it clear, this pond during the fall is absolutely swarming with activity. It's one of the best places to fish. I haven't caught a fish out of this pond in like forever, so I hope today can be the day. Hey, if you guys like know what causes this pond scum to form, please let me know down in the comments below. I would really love to learn something about spring fishing, because I did not start fishing for bass until late summer of last year. So I know nothing about spring fishing except to throw this blue chatterbait. Oh, I saw a fish. Okay, I found where the bass are, except I think that one bass was a little too small to do anything about it. All right, there's a monster who lives on the side. Let's see if we can lure him out today. If not, it's all good. We'll catch him another day. Oh, fish. All right, little, oh, are you serious? No way. Oh, sorry guy. Oh, sorry little guy. Oh, ooh. All right, this is my second fish I've ever, what is this? Is this a warmouth? I'm guessing it's a warmouth. I'm not very good at identifying these species. It's got a really large mouth. Definitely not a bluegill. I believe it is a warmouth, so correct me if I'm wrong. Thank you so much for biting, little guy. First warmouth I've ever caught. Pretty awesome. It's a nice size too. All right, see you, little guy. Awesome. That's 2 fish for today. Let's keep it up. All right, I have 6% battery on my GoPro left, so it might decide to die any moment now. Woo! Oh, that wind. That wind is terrible. Wow, that is some strong wind. Well guys, like I said, that was a pretty awesome day. So guys, it was very unfortunate that Ethan Burrows Outdoors and New Fishing could not join me on this beautiful fishing adventure. But they will be starting their own channels very soon. So I will let you guys know when they will do that, and make sure to subscribe to them as well. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to press that like button and subscribe, and comment any challenges that you want me and my friends to do. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, do it for the adventure.